The main thing when there is no meat. Delicious. Sugar, 1.5 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons. Sweet sake, 2 tablespoons. Sake, 2 tablespoons. Fried tofu, 2 sheets, cut into an easy-to-eat size. 1 pepper. Salad oil, 1 teaspoon. Make Japanese omelette. Under medium heat. Oilless. For 2 minutes. Professor Pepper. Stir for about 1 minute. In low heat. Put the sauce. It will be delicious. Dried young sardines. Fever. Put Japanese omelette. There is a response to eating. How about tomorrow's side dish? Disassemble around the world.
See you!